In this video I am going to tell you how to use transition in Filmora. So you can see I added one image here. This is the image, this is the transition. You can see, let me delete this and add it once again. This is the video. I hope you know how to add a video. Let me add video once again now. So this is the video, just drag and drop it any way you want. So video is showing here. So you can see you can adjust the video according to the length of your image size, adjust the video according to the frame. So this is a video. I will add here some transition. So there is an option of transition here. Just tap on this transition and there are so many transitions. You can see flash transition, blur transition, so you can add any one of them. So let me add this one, this cinematic transition. You just need to drag and drop it here over the image or over the, just drag and drop it over the image. It will take just few minutes according to the transition size. This one is taking more time because it is downloading from internet. You can see this online content, so it is taking more time. Otherwise it takes very less time for other transaction. So it is done now. So let me see how it is going. So let me add any normal transition like fade dissolve. Let me add this fade dissolve here. So let me play it now. You can see it is now faded and it is showing like this. So you can choose any other transition as well. Simply let me delete fade dissolve one and let me resize this image. It is too big for the transition. So let me go for the flash one now, flash transition. So let's see how flash transitions show up. Let me play the video again and see how this transition look like. In one flash it is showing like this, but you can try it out and you can try other transition as well. There are so many free transition available. Photo freeze transition is there, fast zoom transition is also there. Let me try fast zoom transition. All are perfect and you can use any one of them. I use many of these transition and this makes my videos very effective, and you should try if you are into videos. You must try this transition option because it's only make your video perfect. So it is normal transition. You can look for any other transition from here. There are so many. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. There are symmetric transition as well, fade white transition as well, and push right transition as well. There's so many transition available which you can try out. This push right transition is looking very good. Let me see. You can see this push right transition is looking good. So you try it out, explore each transition one by one and you will find the best one. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, and in case you have any query, please mention it in the comment section. Bye bye friends, take care.